Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary, where we are uploading videos of different subjects in very meaningful and fruitful manner. Students, myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English and language teacher, I have decided to teach you the rest part of the lesson, the thief's story, which has been taken from class 10 book entitled Footprints Without Feet. Students, we have seen Anil and Hari Singh, a circumstantial thief, have started working for each other. They have no any kind of complaint in their mind. Anil is an easygoing man, one who is kind-hearted and one who loves humanity also. So Anil is very happy because he has got a very faithful man in form of Hari Singh, and he has started sending him to the market to buy vegetables and things of daily usage. In this way, Hari Singh has come to know the art of what? Saving a little amount of money. As you know that Anil is a magazine writer. He writes for a magazine, and whenever he gets check, whenever he receives check, he just starts giving party to his friends. He spends his day very nicely and very just meaningful. In this way, once evening, Anil Singh comes with a small bundle of notes and he keeps it under the mattress. This keeping of money is seen by Hari Singh, one who is working there and one who just knows all about Hari Singh. In this way, he comes to know that he has to work continuously. He has promised, he has made a commitment to himself that he will work continuously for him, but here you will find that bad blood found in the mind of everyone now starts coming out. He is now going to be a changed man. He is now going to be a man of change concept, and still he knows that he was the most trusting person he had ever met, and he has some concept about stealing. He says that it is very difficult to rob a man one who is very faithful. He also knows that it is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed or not. So all the pleasure of work is gone, our may gone. So after considering all those things, Hari Singh comes back to his real mood, comes back to his real way of life, and he decides to steal the money. What happens? Anil is sleeping soundly, and a beam of just moon ray stepping over the balcony and starts falling on the bed. It was now 10:30 a.m. at night, and he has decided to catch the express to Lucknow. He has decided to take the money and run away from the house, and again goes to the station to catch that very much expected train. Slipping out of the blanket where he is sleeping, he starts creeping up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. Anil has no frustration, no disappointment because he is a man of honest concept. Now, on the other hand, Hari Singh is now becoming an dishonest person. He is not going to have any kind of love and affection for Anil, one who has tried his level best to make him an educated man, to make him a man of wisdom. So he goes there and he comes back to the place, he comes back to the sense, and he goes there. He had more marks around his face. So he Anyway, he just sleeps under the mattress searching for the notes, and when he finds it, he just drew them out without a sound, and ultimately he started just running, and he started coming out of the room quickly, not by making any sound. Students, I would like to make it clear that if you are a man, you have both kinds of blood found within yourself, pure and impure blood. If you work accordingly, if you are positive, pure blood starts functioning. If you are dishonest, impure blood will start functioning and will start dominating you, will start monitoring you, will start guiding you. This has happened with Hari Singh. Now he is on the road. He started running. There was no one running behind him. Still he started running because he has stolen the money. He has broken the faith of a man, one who has deepest faith in him. He starts running, and he had just kept bundle of notes around his waist, and now he just ran for some distance, and ultimately he stopped and started calculating the notes, found 600 rupees in 50. It means 600 rupees in form of 50 rupees note, and he could now live like an I'll reach Arab for a week or two. This was his concept. He was not looking for a long time. He only thought that if he had this much money, he would just make it clear. He would just make his life just comfortable and peaceful enough for 1 hour, 2 weeks. Students, in next video we shall see what happened to him, whether he returned back to Anil or not, why did he return, what are the important points which forced him, and what lesson are we taught by this story. So thank you once again.